this is Ashley with Glendale Community College IT department, and I wanted to take a moment to talk about PaperCut. PaperCut is the program that we use for our pay-for-print system on campus. There are many features available to students within this system that you may not be aware of, so we're just going to go ahead and cover some of the ones that are most useful and most important to students. To begin, we're going to go to the PaperCut website, that is pcutapp.gccaz.edu. You will log in here with your MEID and your password and click Login. Once logged into the system, you'll see the features and services available down the left side of the screen. You'll see some information on the summary here about the environmental impact, the amount of print jobs or pages you've sent, and we will begin going through some of the most useful features. You can see that some of these features include things like the ability to add credit or funds to your pay-for-print account, web print, which will allow you to print from your own personal device. You can view your transaction history of any of the print jobs that you have sent in the past. You can also transfer money to other students. We will begin with the feature that is probably most useful to students, which is the ability to add credit. You can do that from a pay station on campus or right here online by using the Add Credit option from the left menu. You will select the amount of money you'd like to add to your account and then select Add Value. That will take you to the secure payment portal where you can add your pay information. You'll enter the information that is required here, credit card number, expiration date, card code, and then select Pay Now to add the funds. Going back to the features available in the PaperCut app, we'll look at the next feature, which is Web Print. Web Print allows you to send prints and files, documents to a GCC printer from a personally owned device. In order to do that, you will have to be connected to the GCC network to get this list of available printers. You can see there are several print release stations available. You will want to select the one that you want to use on the corresponding campus. So if you're sending to the color printer or the black and white printer, and then whether that is located on the main campus or north campus. For my purposes, I'm going to select the black and white printer at the GCC main campus, select how many copies I'd like to make, and then drag and drop a file here to print. So you can upload from your computer or you can upload your File Explorer and then drag and drop it here and then click Upload and Complete. I'll go ahead and drop a document in there. Here we go. Got a document. I'm going to upload and complete to submit this page to the printer. You'll see that it is currently loading, rendering. Once it's completely rendered, it will be available for you to print release from the print queue. Now you can go to the print release station on campus, sign in, and click print to release and grab your document. You can also release the jobs without physically signing into the release station. I would advise against this unless you are located next to the station. At this point, if you select print here, it will go ahead and charge you the amount of money that is reflected, the 10 cents. You'll click print and then it will release from the printer. For my purposes, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this printing here. I don't actually need it. But if you are not physically located in the building where you are printing, you won't want to use this option because it will print out before you are available at the printer, and it could be picked up from another student or put into the recycling. So if that is the case, if you're printing to pick it up later, it will stay in the queue for several hours, but you will need to log into the print queue once you get there and select print release from that print release station. You can see any jobs that you have recently sent to the print release stations by clicking on recent print jobs off to the side. You can view your transaction history here, which will show you how many pages were printed and how much each of those cost you. You will also have the ability to transfer funds to another student. So it will transfer from the account that is signed in. As long as there is an available credit balance, you can enter the amount of money that you'd like to send and enter the MEID of the user you would like to send that to. You can add any comments if necessary and then select transfer. Under the amount here, it is not a pre-assigned amount. Under the drop-down, you can enter however many funds are needed and then select transfer to send to the other student account. If you have any problems with the PaperCut system or you need additional support, please see the service desk in High Tech 1.